trust me, this phone is going to shock you. A 50-megapixel camera, 144Hz AMOLED display, and a massive 5,200 mAh battery, all in one device. Let's check out the TECNO CAMON 40. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth, whether you're scrolling or gaming. And with an 89.7% screen-to-body ratio, the viewing experience is next level. Under the hood, it runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, paired with Android 15 and iOS 15. With 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, you get blazing fast performance. A 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and PDAF ensures stunning photos, even in low light. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens captures bigger scenes in one shot. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera almost DSLR quality. A 5,200 mAh battery keeps you going all day, and with 45-watt fast charging, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Stereo speakers, high-res audio, in-display fingerprint, FM radio, NFC, and even an infrared port. TECNO didn't hold back on features. With flagship-level features at a budget price, TECNO CAMON 40 looks like a beast. But, is it the best budget 5G phone of 2025? Let me know what you think in the comments.